We are at the Alda Palencia Spain Hotel, and we're going to do a complete tour and full review at the end of the video on room 210. Oh, and you just noticed that light shut off automatically, but if you want them to turn back on, you just do this. But regardless of that, the good thing is that happened, and you can see you're not going to be surprised or startled. Just jump around and the lights will come on. This is considered a basic hotel. We're going to show you a full room tour, and at the end of the video, we're going to give you a full review. So far, what I like, it's electronic to enter the room. There you go. Come on in. You notice when we come in, the room is dark. You can see that it's dark. Got the light from the window, but you need to put your room key in here. If you don't put your room key in there, you're not getting lights. We got lights. Let's go check out the room. Over here, smoking is not allowed in rooms or public areas, but this room smells like someone's been smoking cigarettes in it. It's a very basic room, which is fine. You're paying a basic price. So it's kind of inexpensive, but you got basic stuff. Basic beds. You've got end table with storage and storage. You've got one European outlet. This switch goes to over the bed. Let me turn that back on. You got heat up above, and this is the remote for the heat up above. And like I said, you've got two twin-size beds. We'll let you know about the comfort level. But again, you're not paying a lot of money to stay here. So it could be a win-win situation for us. You've got another end table, but two storage shelves. In here, you have a closet with some hangers. You can see we're already in here. There's more storage underneath. And there's something up here. What's up here? More storage up there. It looks like blankets or something. We have a window. We're lucky to have a window. Some of these rooms here don't have windows. But what do we have for a view? We've got the side of a building. We also have radiator heat. So I don't know if we're using the radiator heat or we're using the heat up in the wall, but we'll find out. You've got a lamp. You can see we have our converter all set up, ready to go. The one plug. We already have it set up right here. We're already charging devices right now. But we got a nice little work area, nice little desk area. TV. Hey, we're lucky. We got a little painting in here, a little art. Let's go check out the bathroom. Make sure you stay to the end of this video. We'll give you a full review of our stay in this hotel, room 210. We'll give you our opinion, what we think for a basic hotel. So let's check out the bathroom. It's got a regular door here, so that's interesting. Tile floor, pedestal sink. We've got a plug right here. Baseboard heat, shelf, mirror, towel rack, hand soap, towel rack. It says that water is a scarce resource. Please use only what is necessary for everyone's well-being. Very good. Please reuse your towels or leave them on the floor if you need us to change them. So the shower, it's not a lot of light in here. It's pretty dark in here. But the tub is a basic tub. Only cast iron tub. But it does have a faucet. Look at the shadows in here. And it's got a wand. We'll let you know about water pressure and all that stuff. We have shampoo and shower gel. Now this door is a little funky. I gotta figure this out. It goes like that. And then this comes out like this. There goes the towel. I see. We'll put it back in its position. For a basic hotel, this bathroom actually has a bidet. So there's a bidet, a toilet paper, trash can. That's our bathroom. That's our full bathroom. What this hotel also offers is a community refrigerator and kitchen area if you wanted to use that. We'll check that out as well. But this is the room. Make sure you wait till the end of the video and we'll give you our take on our stay in this room 210. Andrea, pull that key out of there.
All right, let's go.
And watch the lights go out. Bang, the minute she pulls the key. Hola.
Buenas.
All the lights turn off if they're not being used, so don't be alarmed by that. What do we got here? Please keep quiet after 11. Free Wi-Fi. No smoking anywhere. And you are being videotaped. These are the lifts, the elevators. It's a small elevator. These are all private storage here. This is the kitchen down here. As I mentioned, it's a shared kitchen. Oh, so the kitchen doesn't turn on automatically. There's lights here, light switches.
Kitchen lights. Yeah. Okay. Bathrooms.
Oh, bathrooms, yeah.
Toilets.
And this, like I said, this is a shared area. It's got a refrigerator, vending machines. Oh, coffee machine too. Coffee machine here. If you got the pods, microwave. There's a TV in here. There's a stove too with utensils. There's a stove.
Things up in a kitchen too.
There's plates, there's pans, spices and oils over here. Oh, there's a sink too. I guess someone just put the dish there. I guess they didn't want to wash it. I would assume we would wash our own dishes.
Nice. So let's see my phone.
Put it on the top
We have a
shelf.
few items. Are we on my own?
Yeah.
We have a few items that we had gotten. I left it in our little bag. Just gonna put it in here.
I'd put it on the other side.
Oh, where is it? I didn't see the door. Put it right up here. How's that?
There you go. That's good. Excellent.
Nice.
Dear guest, the products in this fridge are not common.
Each
Each guest can keep what he or she needs and is responsible for taking it out when leaving the hotel. Please respect the food of others. Thank you for your cooperation. Very nice.
Very nice, right?
Yeah, let's go see Palencia. We are at that stage where we do our final review on the Alda Centro Hotel in Palencia, Spain. We usually break it down by key characteristics of what you would want in a hotel. So the very first characteristics is...
Location?
Yes, I thought I was going first. Is location. So the location of this hotel is amazing from my perspective. It's amazing. You're close to the train station. You're close to the bus station. You're close to the Mayor Plaza, which is the main street. There's stores everywhere. There's grocery stores close by.
All kinds of things. Restaurants, pastries, cafes. Yes.
Yeah, I'd give the location thumbs up.
Absolutely.
So the next thing that we would think that people would be interested in is the noise factor. Is there a lot of noise? You want to take this one or you want me to take this one?
So I'll take this one.
But wait, there's noise inside the hotel and noise up above the hotel, outside. Where is the noise coming from?
We're not getting a lot of outdoor noise at all. I will say it is kind of nice. There is a lot of churches and schools nearby, so you do hear some bells, but they're coming at normal awake times. So it's not like it's waking you up in the middle of the night.
We did hear it late at night because we thought that that's when the partiers come out.
Yeah, but that was only at 9 o'clock at night.
Literally, that's when the city comes alive.
All right, so outdoor noise, not so bad. Indoor noise, I will say, and this was on the review, so we knew it coming in.
We did know it.
That the walls are pretty thin, and so therefore you can hear people kind of talking. You can hear the floors are tile. You can hear people dragging their suitcases across the floor, whether it be above you, below you, in the hallway. You're going to hear them. You hear doors closing. So you hear a little bit of noise.
I don't know if you heard that, but that was just a chair that just moved from someone's room.
You're going to hear it. But it never really bothered us, and it was never disruptive at times where it was unruly while you were sleeping. Would you agree with that?
Yeah. I mean, it was... I mean, we're not picky people, so it didn't bother us. If the price was different, then you get what you pay for.
Yes.
We'll get to that. Are we good with the noise factor?
I think so. I mean,
so it's noisy.
You agree with me, right?
Yeah, it's noisy.
Yeah.
Let's talk about comfort. The bedding, the pillows, the sheets. Mm-hmm. What's your opinion on that?
I think it was actually pretty good. I know that some of the rooms come as doubles, but ours were 2 twins put together, which is standard a lot of times in European places. It wasn't bad. We were fine with that. The bed was fairly comfortable. It wasn't the most comfortable.
You can hear the noise?
Someone leaving. It wasn't the most uncomfortable. It wasn't the most comfortable. You did get only 1 pillow each. They were long pillows, so that was good. So, I mean, it was fine for me because I don't like a lot of pillows. So, how about you?
I didn't think it was that bad. I mean, it's not the Marriott, it's not the Hilton, but for what we paid again, it was okay.
Yes,
it was okay. Mm-hmm. Wi-Fi. I think the Wi-Fi and outlets and utilities.
Good.
The Wi-Fi was great. The utilities are, keep in mind, they're all European plugs. If you're traveling abroad, take a look at our Amazon store down below. We have converters and we have full-way plugs. So if you're dealing with one European plug, bang, we took care of that problem. We had 5 plugs and 6 USBs by the time we got done utilizing one European outlet. So from utility standpoint and Wi-Fi, no problem. Yeah. No problem. Mm-hmm. Room itself, the actual room, the storage, size. Mm-hmm. What's your thoughts on that?
So you don't have a traditional closet. Actually, what's right behind me here is what I would call more like a cabinet. It does have a rod in there, but you're not going to hang a lot of things. We put our coats and things like that in there. And we just worked out of our suitcases, which isn't a lot of space on the floor, but it was perfectly acceptable. I would say with that.
Again, for the price, it was okay. The room itself is small.
Yeah.
It's not a big room, but it works. It's okay. The window opens if you're looking for fresh air. But I can tell you that we definitely could smell cigarette smoke in the room. And you could smell it in the hallway.
It is a non-smoking hotel. It says it on everything. But you do smell it in the hallways. So therefore, it is coming from somewhere. And I will say that I think it's people smoking in their bathroom.
She thinks it's in the bathroom.
Yeah, I do.
I don't
because
know
you can be in the
that.
bathroom and then all of a sudden you get a whiff of it. And I think it's coming through the ventilation system.
I don't know if it's the bathrooms, but I do smell it when I go in the bathroom too.
Yeah.
But we did go down to the front desk and we got here and we said, ooh, this is bad. So Nat was down there and she was so sweet. And the staff here are amazing. They're all sweet. This particular front desk person said, no, I'm going to put a diffuser in there, try to clean, you hear the noise? Clean up the, see if she can clean up the smell of smoke. And she did that and it did help. It did help. So the bathroom is kind of an older bathroom. It's tight, as Andrea was talking about with the sink.
The sink, yes. I mean, the bathroom itself is pretty open, I would say.
It's got a bidet.
It does, yes.
Did you use it?
No.
I didn't use it either, but I was tempted. But I did use the shower, and the shower water pressure was outstanding. It really was. Temperature, water pressure,
that was
everything was great.
Yes.
Everything
Even
was
the water quality, we drank water from the tap water as well. So
we did.
I think the water is pretty good.
All right. So this is where I ask you, would you stay in this hotel again? Don't talk about price, because if you're interested in the price, leave a comment down below and we'll let you know.
Okay. I would say yes, especially if you're coming by train, which is how we got here, and you want to kind of explore the major city area. It's a great little location. So if you aren't somebody who is bothered by a little
cigarette
bit of noise,
smoke, noise, it's basic. It's a basic hotel. But the price is pretty decent. I think you might want to know what the price is. Leave a comment down below. I would stay here again.
All right.
I would definitely stay here again. Even though I know all these stupid little things that are going on, the price outweighs all of it.
All right.
You agree?
Sounds good. I agree.
All right. Thanks for coming along. And this is where I say ciao for now.
We'll see you soon.
Thanks for watching, but there's more to explore,
And don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
so you never miss any adventures.
Click on one of these videos to keep the journey going.
And this is where I say ciao for now.
We'll see you soon.